Hey everybody, welcome back to another Krita tutorial. Today we're going to go over the last layer style in Krita, and that's going to be the stroke. It's a very easy layer style, nothing super complicated. So I have this artwork here, and like always, we're going to right click on the layer that we want to apply a layer style to. Go to layer style. At the bottom here is stroke. So I'm going to turn this on by clicking on the little box. So automatically you can see it creates an outline of the artwork. Now this is on my color layer and not the line art, because if I did it on the line art, it would make a stroke on the inside of the artwork as well. So it'd be all around the letters, around the brain lines here, everywhere. And I don't want that for this particular layer or artwork. However, if you want to do that, you can definitely do that. So we have the size, we can make this bigger if we want. It's pretty neat, and it's pretty consistent too. As you can see, it kind of like makes the outline of where the grass is. It tries to keep it nice and smooth. It's not perfect, but that's also to do with the fact that my line wasn't perfect. But I think this is a pretty good outline here. You can make it super small if you need to. Can't really see it, but it's there. Let's make that bigger. We can change the opacity, so if you don't want it to be super opaque, you can do just like a light layer. I'm actually going to change the color so we can see this a little better. We'll do purplish color. Okay. You can kind of see it better. So as we can go through the opacity, we can make it a little more opaque. And here it's completely solid. Now it does have a blend mode and position, so if you want to put it on the inside, kind of like the glow, we can do that. We can do in the center. This is what it looks like with the center. It originates from the middle or the edge, and then that becomes the middle of where the origin point is going to be, and then it expands outward from there on both sides of that edge. Hopefully that makes sense. That's the center position. I'm going to put it back to outside. Whoops. And as always, you can go ahead and change the blend mode if you'd like. Sometimes I'll go and change it to normal so I don't have any weird effects happening if there's other artwork beneath it. Mainly I just keep it to multiply or normal though, and I will use this with sticker making sometimes, or make a border. So it works really well. Looks nice to me. You can do a gradient fill, so it looks pretty neat. You can do a pattern. We'll make that a little more crazy. There you go. That's pretty much it for the layer style stroke. It's very simple, has a lot of options that you may already be familiar with the other layer styles. Nothing too complex about this. It's pretty self-explanatory. It just makes a stroke around your line work or whatever it is. Works really well for a lot of different uses. If you just want a quick border to make your artwork pop for something quick and simple, if you need to make outlines for cutting stickers or just cutting something manually for yourself, or you just want to make some text and add something to make it pop more. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned something and I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions or anything like that, leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. And if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.